Now the third chapter of this lesson is multiples. Right? Now what is mean by the multiples? Okay, now let's discuss the multiples using an example. Right? Now think about the multiples of 2. So how we write multiples of 2? Can you remember that? Yes, this is the multiplication table, the way of writing multiplication table. The first multiple of 2 is 2, 2 multiplied by 1. The second multiple of 2 is 2 into 2, 4. The third multiplication of 2 is 2 into 3, 6. Right? Now, if someone asks you to write the multiples of 2, now you can write the answer 2, 4, 6 and 8 and put 3 dots. It's mean the pattern further can be continued. Right? These are the multiples of 2 beginning from 2. Right? It is an infinite. So that's why we put 3 dots. If asks you to write the multiples of 2 between 10 and 20. Multiples of 2 between 10 and 20. Between, not 10. Then it's begin with 12. 12, 14, 16, 18. Between 10 and 20. These are the multiples of 2 between 10 and 20. Right, now let's see how we write multiples of 3. Right, multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. If they are 3, 6, 9, 12, and it is also the same. Right, the pattern can be continued. These are the multiples of 3 beginning with 3, and it is also an infinite pattern. Right, then let's see how you write the multiples of 3 below 10. Multiples of 3 below 10. Multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 below 10. They are 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. These are the multiples of 3 below 10. Right? Now, as these two examples, you can write multiples of any number. What are the multiples of 5? It's begin with 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and dots. Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and well. Now tell me what are the multiples of 5 between 15 and 30? Between 15 and 30. They are 20 and 25. That's all. It has only two multiples of 5 within that range. Now I think you can write any multiple within any range. Right? Now I am going to conclude this lesson, factors and multiples. Then I hope you will you understood the lesson, and then you can do the relevant exercises as a homework. Thank you.